Hey everybody! I'm finally back and making another YouTube video, and it's only taken me 10 months. Today I'm going to be making a video of my unboxing of items that I got from shopcutiepieMarzia.com. And if you've never heard of Marzia, she is here on YouTube, and she's kind of like my favorite YouTuber. She's kind of like my inspiration for life, and she's dating PewDiePie, so that's kind of how I found out about her, through him. And she's super cute.
I just love her a lot.
This happened with PewDiePie once.
Shaggy P, what great name.
Like a shout out from PewDiePie. I'll take it. Anyway, let's get right into the unboxing. So I bought the, I can never remember what this is called. The nighttime cozy fun pack, I think is what it is, but here's a picture of it, and this is everything that you get included in the box. So I ordered one, and I was actually missing the bath bomb the first time it came, so I emailed customer service, and they were really good to just kind of, you know, ship one out to me, and it came way faster than the rest of the box did. So really good customer service, and I thought it just, maybe they were out of stock or something like that, but I messaged just in case, and I got one. So this is the first thing that comes in the box. It came in a separate envelope actually, and it is one of her drawings. So that's what it looks like. I think this is adorable. The only thing I wish maybe is that it was like the whole page, the whole 8.5 by 11 instead of just 3/4 of the page. Only because I'm gonna have a hard time finding a frame to fit this when I actually cut it out, but I mean, like, whatever. The next thing that you get in this box, and pretty much the reason that I bought it, is because I needed new pillowcases, and I thought these were super cute. So you get these pillowcases, and I actually hadn't washed them yet here. I hadn't done anything with them, so they are a little bit wrinkly right out of the package. But I really love them. Here's the bath bomb. And it came in this cute little packaging with a Marzia sticker on it, just some bubble wrap to protect it. Thankfully it didn't break on its way over. So it smells like those Campino strawberry cream yogurt kind of candies, which I'm not mad about. The next thing that you get in this nighttime fun cozy super awesome pack is a face cloth, so to remove your makeup with, and it is one of her forest creatures. Super soft, super cute. There are just a couple patches of color missing, as you can kind of see, but it's not a huge deal because you're literally just going to be taking off your makeup with it. So I love it. I think, oh no, I also got a candle. Here is the candle that you get with the box. It has another one of the forest creatures on it, and he's got a little ice cream cone, and it smells really good. It just smells like a vanilla candle, but nonetheless, it is super cute. And that is everything I think that I got in the nighttime cozy pack, for cozy fun nighttime pack. The next thing that I bought on her website, oh, I actually forgot to mention, it says $19 for the super fun pack, but I think I got it on sale for Boxing Day, so I recall only spending about $10 to $15 on it, but $19 is still pretty good for everything that you get. And then I also ordered, while I was there and checking out the sale, I also got one of her mystery surprise bags. So this is what it actually looks like when it comes in the mail. And I honestly was like, it was just kind of like a last minute, like, throw it in the cart, it looks like fun. But I didn't expect anything out of it, and I didn't even read the description before, so you basically get at least $50 of products in there. So that's really cool, because it only cost me $14. And free shipping when I bought it. So it's a really good deal. Like, once I got it, I was actually really surprised. The first thing that I got inside of this was the Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir Major Volume Mascara in the color Noir. And this mascara is actually really good. I'm usually not one for high-end mascaras because I go through the mascara so freaking quickly. I'm kind of like a 2 to 3 coat kind of girl. And I really love this. This is what it looks like on the eyes, and I do my mascara kind of funny. Like, I like my eyelash spidery and spaced out, like you can see here. But I really like this mascara. I would definitely use it again. It claims to have major drama, oversized lashes, velvet-like look, and I believe it does have all of that actually. So this is what the brush looks like, and it comes off really easily at the end of the night, so it's a win-win. I really like it, but I don't know if I could actually justify spending $33 on it again. I'll stick to my $10 Annabelle mascara. And the next product that you get is from a company called Lagoon Cosmetics that are actually based out of Montreal, so a little bit closer to my neck of the woods. And this is the Undress Liquid Lip Stain. They don't actually have this on their website anymore, but when I did look, all of their products for the lips range from $16 to $20, so I'm sure it was somewhere around there. And this is the color in Deep Orchid. So this color is actually perfect for any skin tone, I think. Like, anybody could rock this color. It's really pretty on. And my only advice is don't put on too much like I did here, because it will just kind of like dry out your lips and flake off the way that liquid lipsticks sometimes do. And I'm really bad at applying liquid lipsticks, so I mess up my lip products all the time. And I have really dry lips, and I feel like whenever I put any liquid lipstick on, no matter what I do, it just starts to like crumble off of my lips. And my lips feel like sand, so I actually didn't get this. I actually didn't get that with this the first time I tried it, which is really good. It was really soft. It stayed on really well. I could actually lick my lips or rub my finger across my lips and nothing came off. So this is really good. And it is also cruelty-free, paraben-free, not tested on animals. That is enough to get me to look at the other products on the website, because those are like the most important things to me when I'm buying makeup. This is the Amika Perk Up Dry Shampoo. And it's a little pricey for me for dry shampoo, I'm not gonna lie. I'm wearing it in my hair today actually, because if you're like me and you wash your hair once in a blue moon, you need these kind of things lying around. I really don't wash my hair often, so I live for dry shampoo all the time. And I tried this for the first time tonight, like I was just saying, and I really loved the way that it smelled. So far everything in this freaking box smells so good. It was called, I already said what it was called, duh. Amika or Amika? The only reason I would buy this again that sets it apart from everything else is that it smells kind of like my favorite body spray ever that got discontinued. If anyone remembers Pink from Fruits and Passions, hello, that was my favorite. This smells kind of like it, and it was like instant nostalgia. And they also don't test on animals or use any animal ingredients in their products. So again, thank you, Marzia. We need more people promoting products like that. I really like the way this smells. I'm going to use the whole little bottle and then repurchasing. I don't know. I'm a broke lady. I can't afford that kind of dry shampoo, but I like it. Next thing we have, again, can't afford to repurchase, but don't really care. Facial Radiance Pads by First Aid Beauty, and they are alcohol free. So you're supposed to wipe the pad across your face and your neck and everything twice a day after cleansing. This comes with 28 pads, and this is what it retails for. And this is what they look like. They smell like not too much. They smell like a face. They smell like a face wipe. Little, I don't know, like whatever these are. What are these? I'm almost done mine actually. I've ripped right through them, and they're really nice. I like them. They make your face tingle a little bit, or maybe just mine, so if you have sensitive skin it might cause some redness. I don't mind the tingling though, because it's supposed to help exfoliate, tone, and brighten your skin, so I feel like that's just the product working when you feel that. But again, it's just not a necessary part of my skincare routine that I could justify spending that kind of money on again. Just me, no hate. Okay, so we did the lipstick, Okay, the last thing that she included in this box is Blue Lagoon from Iceland. Some of their face mask scrubs samples. I think it's like a hot spring in Iceland, And this is probably the closest I'll be getting to Iceland in a long time. So thank you, Marzia, because I've always wanted to go there. She also included a coupon code for 20% off your next order. It's CutiePie20, if anybody cares. And I don't know if it's still valid or not, but if you did want to try out these products, you can definitely shop there on their website. And in their website, it's just bluelagoon.com/shop. So you can definitely try out the products too, or you can just buy a mystery bag and hope that she included them. I remember after watching her vlog from Iceland, she did say that she was in touch with them and they included samples for some of her boxes, so I'm kind of happy that I got them, and it comes in a cute little case, a cute little... So that, I think that's everything.
And of course, leave it to me to forget my favorite product actually in the whole box. So also in the surprise bag, there was the Crabtree and Evelyn London Espresso and Lavender Calming Body Lotion. And this smells really good. The scent does last all day like it says that it will. And it is just a lotion, so it's a little bit thin and goopy. Not as much moisture as a cream would provide, but it's really nice smelling, and I would actually buy the whole bottle of this, or if it came in like a bubble bath, I would buy that too. Really relaxing scent, and I love this product.
Anyway, I definitely recommend at least buying the mystery box, the nighttime cozy fun pack is definitely, I think, worth the $19. I'm not sure, because I live in Canada, I'm not sure if that's US dollars or Canadian dollars, but I'm pretty sure it's 19 US dollars, so just be mindful of that if you live somewhere else in the world. Right now she has free shipping off of $75 or more. This is not an ad, by the way. Like, I am too small of a YouTuber to ever get any offers such as an ad or anything like that. I just really love Marzia, and I really love the products that I got, so I thought I would just kind of share some of the things that I got, because I would totally recommend it. I would especially recommend the $14 mystery bag. I can only imagine what the $85 mystery bag has inside of it. But I think I'm gonna wait a little while just to make sure I don't get the same products over again, which wouldn't be a terrible thing because I love everything I got. I just kind of want to switch it up and try something new, so I will order another mystery bag eventually, because I just love it. It's like someone picking out your makeup for you. And I was actually really surprised with the quality of the products that I got and the value of the products that I got for $14. So anyways, that's all I have for today. I'm gonna try to make some new videos really soon. I do want to get back into this channel and start it up, and I always have wanted to, but I've just really been busy with school and work and finding the motivation to sit down in front of the camera. Thank you so much for watching. I love you, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!